I'm meteorologist Peter Chan at the National Weather Service for Alaska statewide weather on this Thursday, January 9th. A lot of things to talk about. We continue to have a very active weather pattern that'll continue into the weekend and into at least early next week. A series of strong North Pacific lows will bring wet and windy weather across a good portion of the state, especially southwest areas in through the southern, southeast, mainland, and panhandle, as well as along areas of the southwest coast and the Gulf Coast. We are looking at the potential for some heavier mountain snows and mid and upper level elevations, as well as some heavier snowfall pushing into the western interior as we go up the lower middle Yukon Valley from Anvik on up toward Ruby. There is a winter storm watch that has been posted for Saturday evening and the late Sunday night. As much as 6 to 10 inches of snow could fall there. Before then, we have winter weather advisories impacting the western Kenai through midnight tonight. At least 2 to 4, maybe 5 inches of wet snow and a light mix of precipitation being possible through this evening. And then we have a winter storm warning until 9 p.m. That's still in effect for areas above Skagway to White Pass. There is a heavy wet snow falling there with perhaps another few inches through this evening. Further west, we have winter weather advisory, St. Lawrence Island, the lower Yukon. And that'll be in effect Friday noon through noon Saturday. There will be snow, a mix of precipitation, and strong winds move through there, especially Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. And there is a coastal flood advisory for areas along the Kuskokwim Delta, especially potentially impacting areas like Kipnik and Kogilingak, where water levels could be 3 to 6 feet above the normal highest tide levels here as we go through Friday afternoon into early Saturday morning. And another factor with these storms, so I mentioned the heavier mid and upper level mountain snows. Lower areas at sea level and lower elevations will have some periods of moderate to heavier rain. Runoff will cause creeks and rivers to rise, plus have overflow issues, so there could be some minor flooding there. And then strong winds. There'll be some very strong winds and the potential for record warm temperatures, especially southern and eastern portions of the mainland through this weekend. For Alaska statewide weather, I'm Peter Ch